Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So for today's video I have created this really easy blue purple eye makeup look. So today we will be directly moving on to eye makeup. I won't be sharing my skin based makeup steps today because I just finished filming first impressions video on ELF प्रोडक्ट्स. एक्चुअली आपने वो देख लिया होगा बिकॉज वो वाला वीडियो पहले जाने वाला है, अपलोड होने वाला है. अगर आपने देखा नहीं है तो प्लीज़ जाके देखिएगा. सो इफ़ यू गाइस वांट टू नो हाउ टू achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I've already done my skin. So that's why we will be directly moving on to eye makeup. So yeah, let's get started because it's really easy to create. It's a really nice, fun eye makeup look. I'm not applying any product, I'm just cleaning all the creases. So to start off, I'm first going to go in with NYX Slide On pencil. This is in the shade Sunrise Blue. So I'm going to apply this pencil now. This is such a beautiful blue eye pencil. Now I'm going to blend this blue color with my flat shader brush. This is MAC 239 brush. Now I'm going to blend the edges, and for that I'm using my PAC eyeshadow in number 33. I'm using MAC 217 brush. This is basically going to be a crease color, and also with this shadow I am blending the edges. And I'm going to apply some more of that pencil. This pencil is basically a base for the blue eyeshadow, which I will be applying on top of it. Now it's time to apply the blue eyeshadow. Today I am going to apply PAC's PP39 eyeshadow. I have to be careful because I don't want any fallout. So very slowly and gently I'm going to apply this one. And now I'm going to blend the edges very carefully. You don't want the color to move around too much. This is PAC's brush 165. It's perfect for the crease work. Now just right in the center, I'm going to apply a PAC eyeshadow in number PP38. And also I'm going to apply that same purple eyeshadow on my lower lash line, using Sigma's flat definer brush in number E15. And very gently I'm going to press this eyeshadow, okay? If you guys want to know why I'm not happy with my concealer, then please check out my last video. And now I'm going to line my waterline with the same blue pencil. And now I'm going to tightline my upper waterline with K Beauty's ONYX Kohl. Just going to add some more of that purple. Going to coat my lashes with L'Oreal's waterproof voluminous carbon black mascara. Okay, so let's move on to lips now. So first I'm going to define my lips with PAC's Precisionist lip liner. This one is in the shade Barely Brown. And now I'm going to go in with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade ATHENS. And now I'm going to top off with Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb.